What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Mozilla Firefox. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the search bar at the top of the Settings page, type Performance until you find the Performance section. Uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings to reveal more options. You will now see the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Check the box to enable hardware acceleration or uncheck it to disable the feature. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply close the Settings tab when you're done. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable hardware acceleration in Mozilla Firefox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!